ये वीडियो 10th क्लास के लिए हर स्टूडेंट के लिए बेनिफिशियल है। इस वीडियो में एक ही क्वेश्चन को 3 एग्जाम्पल से क्लियर किया जाएगा। इस क्वेश्चन को बोर्ड में 1 मार्क्स या 2 मार्क्स में पूछा जा सकता है। यहाँ से आप आर डी शर्मा को की प्रैक्टिस भी कर सकते हैं। तो क्वेश्चन इज अल्फा एंड बीटा आर द zeros of given polynomial and we have to find the new polynomial where alpha and beta are not given. Let's see how to solve it. So first of write coefficients of y square, y and 1. A is coefficient of y square, b is coefficient of y and c is constant term. First of all find alpha plus beta by formula which is minus b by a, and alpha into beta which is c by a. Put the values of c and a. Now sum of new zeros. Zeros are not given but we have to find sum of new zeros. Two common, alpha plus beta plus 2. Now alpha and beta are not given, so put the values of alpha plus beta. It becomes 4, so sum of new zeros is 4. Now product of new zeros. To find product of new zeros, first term 2 alpha with full bracket. This sign, if here is plus then plus, if here is minus then minus. 1, second term is 1 with full bracket. Number 2 number multiplication 4 alpha into beta variable 2 1 जा 2 alpha 2 1 जा 2 into beta and 1 1 जा 1. तो इस तरह से बताया गया है, जिसका बेस क्लियर है उसको भी क्लियर हो जाए, जिसका नहीं है उसको भी क्लियर हो जाए. प्लस 2 into alpha plus beta plus 1. Now put the values of alpha into beta and alpha plus beta. So product of by using alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, product of new zeros is 7. So up to now we have calculated sum of new zeros and product of new zeros. What is next step? Now by using these sum and product we will find equation before polynomial. Because given polynomial is in y, so equation will be in y, and formula of equation is y square minus sum of zeros into y plus product of zeros. इस फॉर्मूले को यूज करके हम बार बार इक्वेशन को फाइंड कर सकते हैं. Now polynomial is what? Polynomial an expression without zero. With zero it is an equation, but without zero it is an polynomial. So required polynomial is y square minus 4y plus 7. It is another polynomial in y whose zeros are. Now what are steps? Given polynomial, find alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, then sum of new zeros, then product of new zeros by using new equation and the new polynomial. Now second question is, again we have to find another polynomial, but now polynomial is in t and we have to find another polynomial with same zeros, 2 alpha plus 1 and 2 beta plus 1. So first step is write coefficients of t square, t and constant term. On the same step find alpha plus beta, alpha into beta. Now sum of new zeros. 2 alpha plus 2 beta plus 1 and 1 is 2. 2 common, alpha plus beta plus 2. Put values of alpha plus beta. What is value? It is 3. First multiplication, then addition. So sum of new zeros is 8. Here alpha and beta are not given. Now product of new zeros. 2 alpha with full bracket plus 1 with full bracket. तो 2 अल्फ़ा हर एक नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई होगा जितने भी नंबर हैं. दिस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 2 बीटा से, फिर 1 से. नाउ इट 2 बीटा 1 1 जा 1. 2 into alpha plus beta, because alpha and beta are not given, but values of alpha into beta and alpha plus beta can be used. Minus 16 plus 7, it is minus 9. So product of new zeros is, by using alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, can be found now. Polynomial is in T. So equation, next step is to find equation. So equation will be in T, and formula of equation is T square minus sum of zeros into T plus product of zeros equal to 0. Put values of sum and product. T square minus 8T minus 9 plus into minus is minus. Now what is polynomial? Again, polynomial is an expression without zero. So polynomial is t square minus 8t plus 9. Next question is, now same steps. What is the first step? Find the coefficients. Write the coefficients. A is coefficient of s square, B is coefficient of s, and C is constant term. Now next step, find alpha plus beta. Minus b by a, minus b is minus 7, a is this. Next step, alpha into beta. Next step, find new sum of new zeros. Put values of alpha plus beta. Now by taking LCM, so sum of new zeros is 13 by 3. Now what is next step? To product of new zeros. For alpha beta plus 2 common into alpha plus beta plus 1. Put values of alpha into beta, which is 1/2. So this is the question when values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta are rational numbers in fraction. So by taking LCM, product of new zeros is 16/3. Now next step is what? First we find equation or polynomial. Equation. Because polynomial is in S, so equation will be in S. Small s square minus sum of zeros into small s plus product of zeros. S square, sum is 13/3. So sum के साथ always minus, note it. So by taking LCM, 3s square minus 13s plus 16 equal to 0. It becomes 3s square minus 13s plus 16 is equal to 0 into 3. 0 into 3 is 0. Polynomial is an expression without 0. So इस तरह से हम में क्लियर हो गया है, सेम स्टेप्स ही हैं, बट इन स्टेप से हमें पता लग गया है कि हमें इक्वेशन ही फाइंड करनी पड़ेगी. उसके लिए हमें सम फाइंड करना पड़ेगा न्यू जीरोज़ का, प्रोडक्ट फाइंड करनी पड़ेगी न्यू जीरोज़ की बाय यूजिंग अल्फा प्लस बीटा एंड अल्फा इनटू बीटा, और तब पोलिनोमियल मिलेगा. तो इस तरह के क्वेश्चन की प्रैक्टिस करके हम आर.डी. शर्मा या बोर्ड के किसी भी क्वेश्चन को इजीली सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. सो डू प्रैक्टिस एंड सी द मैजिक. थैंक यू.